Pipes are installed to deliver various fluids and are often adjusted or replaced due to changes in production or usage. In such cases, locating and replacing specific pipes must be carefully managed to avoid errors. DCSENG offers a solution that eliminates potential errors in the demolition process. By inserting a magnetic core into the target pipe, its location can be precisely identified and marked externally. A specialized cutter ensures efficient and safe removal by cutting only pipes with a magnetic core. Neutralization is performed to remove all residue from the pipes, ensuring safe demolition. To insert a magnetic core into the pipe to be removed, a supply and recovery device are needed. One end of the pipe connects to the supply device, while the other attaches to the recovery device. The recovery device is connected to the exhaust duct to remove any remaining residue during magnetic core insertion. Attach the supply device to the compressed gas cylinder and adjust the supply pressure. Mount the magnet core bundle on the feeder, align the core with the feed roller, and insert it about 1 meter into the dismantled pipe. To set the core's insertion length, attach the detector to the feeder's outlet and connect the motor and communication cable. After supplying compressed gas, the detector can be used to check or adjust the core's insertion length. In manual mode, the detector displays the inserted length, while in automatic mode, the insertion length is preset and executed automatically. When the supply motor is activated, the magnetic core is inserted and reaches the recovery device following the gas flow. Detach the detector from the supply motor and prepare for the next operation. Magnetic cores are manufactured in 100-meter units, with a spacing of 0.5 meters for ease of use. They come in 4 colors: yellow, white, red, and green, based on tube specifications. Use the detector to select the pipes to be removed. If the detector fails to operate, move to another pipe and repeat the process. When magnetic force is detected in the target pipe, a buzzer sounds and a green lamp lights up. Identified pipes are marked with a removal sticker for clear identification. The demolition work is carried out as follows. Move to the location of the demolition sticker and connect the detector and cutter using a communication cable. Attach the detector at the sticker's location. When the detector detects internal magnetic force, a laser beam is emitted and the cutter activates upon receiving the reflected signal. If no magnetic force is detected at the sticker's location, neither the detector nor the cutter will operate. In addition, even if the detector detects magnetic force and emits the laser, the cutter does not operate if positioned on a different pipe. Ensuring no accidental cuts. Accidents caused by incorrect cutting during pipe removal and reinstallation may result in both human and material losses, while severely affecting corporate value. DCSENG's piping removal technology prevents errors and guarantees a safe working environment. DCSENG will continue to develop essential technologies for our customers and remain your reliable partner.